freaking snowing here. How far can you see? Not very far. Why are people driving? I do not know. But look at that wind. Look at these stupid people. Look at this idiot. Where the hell's he going? Buddy, 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 I'm loser. Buddy. See, people driving. What the hell are they doing? Like, can't even see all the way to the end. What are people doing? Good, yeah, run. See? Cold. People walking. Like, honestly. Look at the wind. Look at the blowing snow. Stupid people driving. They really should stop. See? Idioso. And then we have this person, who has now decided that snow deserves to be in her car. Look at the snow blowing into her car. She even leaves her door open for more snow action. Go snow action. Oh good, she closed it. Run! Hop in your car! It is now frozen! Hello, snow! Buddy. Now I do my windshield wipers. Well, the snow is still attacking me. Thank you, and have a nice day. Look at this. We can't even see very far at all. Look at the blowing snow. There is no chance in hell that this person is going to be able to drive. But are they going to drive? Of course they are. See, this is what Oshawa snow looks like. Same as London snow. See if we can get the icicles. Look at the icicles on the lamps. Kinda looks like London. Yeah. That person is still there. Back to the snow. Think they should have closed the school today? Probably. Will they? Probably not. Look at this. Like, this is ridiculous. Will they shovel? Hello, moose. Hello. I am cold. I am flat. I am a moose. Still there. Who's over there? Who's over there? Who's over there? I see nobody. Stupid people. This is absolutely ridiculous. Like, look at those cars. Completely covered. There is no way in hell they are getting out of there. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. No way in hell. It is freaking cold outside, too. Yeah. And yet I'm nice and warm. That would be me. I am warm. That is cold. But I am warm. But that is cold. Let's look at more people. See those people? No, you can't see those people. What the hell? See if this helps. Nope. Well, there's people walking right here. It is cold. That person is still sitting in their car. What are they doing? I do not know. But they must be cold. Must be burning off the snow. And here come retards with alcohol. You are retards. Retard. You must be cold. You know why? Because you're a retard. Retard. You know what? That's enough cold for now. If it gets any worse, I come back and do more commentary. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye now. Turka Jihad.